It was called the ice apocalypse. 2010, when we got hit with an ice storm over Thanksgiving weekend, pavement temperatures had dropped down to the 15, 20 below zero mark, and the ground underneath was frozen, very solid. We couldn't break the bond between the pavement surface, which was very, very cold. It was bonded like concrete. We were stuck with that the rest of the winter. The Alaska Department of Transportation is basically the main transportation entity in the state of Alaska. We have about 5,600 centerline miles of roads that we're responsible for, numerous bridges, hundreds of airports. We're actually geographically bigger than the state of Texas. The road weather information system are fixed weather sites, but those fixed sites just give us a snapshot, a point where we can look at. As expansive as Alaska is, we only have 63 road weather information systems scattered throughout the whole state, so there's a lot of gaps in that system.
WeatherCloud was formed to provide that kind of 50 feet and down to the ground forecast.
It's a sensor suite that we've deployed on some of our light-duty vehicles that gather local weather information.
And we use the Azure IoT platform to bring that data in real time, and we're using Fathym, which sits on the Azure cloud, to create dashboards for management here.
That gives us accurate forecasts for about 72 hours, hour by hour.
There was an event in 2016 where we were watching the weather, and the system was telling us that this isn't really going to materialize. There's a very small chance. We didn't put any chemical down, and we saved a substantial amount of money. We're able to be confident in our decisions based on getting this data from these sensors.
Azure really allows us to focus on the business needs for the customers, so they don't have to think about the back end whatsoever. There's a sense of security that their data is going to be safe, and they can focus on the results that they need.
We started out with just 5 units. We gave it a try. It worked. We built out to where we had 20 units here in Fairbanks. We'd like to put them on most all of our pieces of rolling stock for the DOT. Most of these other entities that have implemented the systems like we're doing have shown an 80% reduction in crash rates, so we're hoping to at least hit those goals as well as a department.